Scientists look alike. Candidate number 3.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Aliyah Cyrene D.R. Barbon, your Ada Lovelace. Greetings, seekers of knowledge. I'm Ada Lovelace, a scientist and mathematician, known as the first computer programmer. My work on analytical engines laid the foundation for modern computing. This science month, let us embrace curiosity and explore new ideas. The future begins with discovery, so let us dare to ask, what if? Again, I'm Aliyah Cyrene D.R. Barbon, your Ada Lovelace, representing grade 3.
There you are, Aliyah Cyrene Barbon. Once again, the first set of our scientists